Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, but I'm originally from Kogi State. Yes, I am your Omai. I'm your Aburo. I'm your one name. Yes. So guys, please, today, I want to talk to us about the concept of back to sender. Back to sender comes in different formats and it happens to us in different ways. But we have a product on this channel that we call back to sender. But apart from this, I want to give you the testimony of this back to sender. Back to sender is a herb, okay? This is a herb, that we blended, processed it, blend it to meet international standard. Okay, so this you can use it for a very long time, just as small as it is, like this. Small but mighty. Yes. What is that thing that your enemy is thinking about towards you? See, if you have back to sender, the name of your enemy is sorry. I've said it before. See, back to sender returns back to the enemy, even the thought of their heart, the imaginations of their mind. If they wish you downfall, they will go down. If they wish you dead, they will be buried. If they wish you accident, they will be crushed. Yes. If they wish you sickness, they will turn to vegetable. Yes, the state of no return. Yes. So guys, a lady called me 3 days ago. She's one of our subscribers, but she said she just bought the back to sender because she has been looking at it. So she just bought it and she used it. She has been having this leg pain that normally she used to watch my video. She just watch it and that is it,
Simple solutions to life.
But she never tried out any of them, But today, at this hour, she decided to place order for back to sender because she has been having this leg pain that used to trouble her a lot. And she has been to the hospital, been to places. They told her it is an affliction, it is an arrow, but she has been praying and doing all sorts of. She now said, okay, let her give Medilock's back to sender trial and see. So she bought this back to sender and she started using it. So after 2 weeks, she said she couldn't believe her body, she couldn't believe her eyes, she couldn't believe herself. So she said, let her call me, because after using the back to sender, as if it's like they just threw it out of her body. The pain is gone. The leg pain, she has been looking for the pain. You understand? Just like that man in Canada. The man said he will go out and be jogging in the morning because purposely he wants to feel the pain in his body. But after using the back to sender, it's like the sickness with the arrow was removed and sent back to wherever it came from. So exactly the same thing again to this sister who had this leg pain. The pain is gone. Yes, she has been looking for it, but she cannot find it. And she will never find it. The only place that thing can be found is the coven where they fired it from. It's back there in their cauldron. Yes. So, guys, apart from back to sender, we have other things on this channel. We have other products that we have been selling. And I want to take you through some of them. Yes, because some of you don't know some of these products that we have. You don't even know their names. This one is Bita Zeze for women. Yes, this is herb. We deal basically on herbs. Yes, and herbs that have spiritual implication, spiritual importance. Yes, that is harmless. Yes, so that is Bita Zeze. And then we have spiritual kulacham. Kulacham, yes, let me open it like this so that you can see. Smells nice. Smells like heaven. I love the smell. You just put a little like this on your hand. You can rub it on your face, then on your hand. That's all. This can last you a whole year. Yes. And this one is for extreme favor. When I say extreme, write that word in capital letter. Yes. My young lips cannot explain to you the ingredients that are in this place. Okay? That has serious spiritual benefit to your life. You are looking for favor. You are a politician. You want to win election. You are looking for visa. You're looking for a green card, red card. You're looking for resident permit. You're looking for, what is it? You're looking for husband. You're looking for wife. Get this. You are into business. You are submitting quotation for contracts. You are into music. You are into anything legit. Yes. I'm not saying if you are into Yahoo, I don't know about that one. Okay? But anything that you know between you and God, this thing is legit. You want to survive, get this thing. It will boost you. Yes. This one is for women. Ladies, this is for women. This is V Tightener. Very cheap. This one is a spiritual husband and spiritual wife solution. If you are if you're having problem with spiritual husband and spiritual wife, you can place order for this. This will help you. A guy called me and said when he put this thing inside water midnight and bathed, that woman that used to come and sleep with him every night, the woman just came with anger and said, don't use that liquid again. Don't use that liquid again. It's working. It has worked already. Don't use it again. Don't use it again. Then the lady just walked out and bounced the door behind her. He woke up. It was a dream. So he called me that made the woman was gone. Can I continue? I said, you see, that demon is deceiving you. So continue. You have to use it for 7 days, minimum 7 days. So you must continue using it. It is a sign that she's getting the fire already. And a lady also used this from US. She placed order for this. After using it, she said she used it for like 3 days. Then on the 3rd day, she had a dream. The guy dumped her in the dream. The guy that used to usually come and sleep with her, dumped her in the dream, as in they broke up in the dream. So he chose another lady in her presence inside dream. So she woke up and it was a dream. She told me that the guy has left her. That can she continue? So I said, keep using it until you meet that 7 days. So she kept on using it. So guys, these are simple, but they work. This one is Mampi for ladies. If your man come quickly and he doesn't want to use Mampi, this one is to sustain erectile. This is erectile sustainability, and it also treats you from within, from inside out. It's a treatment for erectile dysfunction, and it can also function as erectile enhancement for men. You have the liquid one. This liquid one, if you drink just this one, it spends 1 week in your body. So before you drink it, watch the environment. If there's cooperation, drink it. If there's not going to be cooperation, don't drink it, because in the night your body will be sleeping and one part will not be sleeping. So, and don't say, Mendy Love, don't call my name in that place. I'm not there. So please be sure before you drink this. Okay, it is very, very natural. It does not have side effects. Yes, your workstation may want to go to service. So if you didn't see anything, after a while it will rest, but you will keep seeing it. Yes, it will just be showing you, saluting you that yes, I'm ready to work. That's just it. So we have our favorite Favor soap. There is a gift inside. Yes. So guys, if you have placed order for this is for people that suffer from witchcraft attack. Yes, I was talking about this before I jumped on that thing. This one is Ladies Man B. It's oily. When you rub it down there in your valley, your man will not come quick. Yes, so if you are such a woman that maybe your husband arrives in Jerusalem before you even pack your bag from here, so you can use this so that both of you can journey together until both of you get to that place. So place order for this. You don't need to bother your husband to go and get Man P if he doesn't want to. Just place order for this. Very cheap, very, very affordable. Just place order for it. This is Favor soap, and this one is Favor oil. Favor oil is a bestseller. This is Favor oil. We tried packaging it in one fancy bottle, but the bottle, we didn't have enough supply of it. So because somebody was saying that his own bottle is looking different from the one I'm showing, this is the regular bottle we use. Okay, this is Favor oil. Just drop a little in your cream, or you can rub it directly. Whichever way you want to use it, it's Favor oil. But if you like, just open it like this now. After you finish bathing, just pour it on your head like this. Rub it all over your body. Then throw the empty bottle in the dustbin and then place order for another one. Yes, now you buy more. So don't economize it so that you can buy more from me. Yes, this is alligator meat spice. Alligator meat spice is to command children's obedience. You are living in a country where children, if you say, what is this? They will call police for you. Your own children, if your children climb staircase and fall down and there's a bruise on their hand, police will come and carry you. Why did your child fall down? So if you are in that kind of place where you cannot shout, you cannot correct your child, get this one. When you just look at your child like this, your child will just understand. You don't need to shout. Who is shouting? There will be cooperation. There will be love between your children and your children. Them within themselves. Siblings love. This is gun protection. It's a powder. It's tasteless. It's not bitter. This is in powder. It's 3. Yes, it has the ring. But it's not everybody that likes to carry ring. But that ring, you just put it in your pocket, put it in your wallet, that is it. But this one, when you drink this one, you just drink it one today, one tomorrow, the other one next tomorrow, that is it. You are protected for life. This is natural bulletproof. It's in your blood. The moment your eyes see gun like this, it activates itself. When there is a sound of gun, anywhere, it activates itself. Even when you're watching TV, yes, it activates itself. So, except another thing. And my father used to tell us that whenever we hear the sound of gun, and where we are, you can run. But where you are, you cannot run. Lie down, flat. But if you have this in your body, and you know that these enemies, they can actually get you like this, run. Because even as you're running, the bullet will not enter you. But when their bullet gets finished, they may want to attack you physically by a fist. So if you don't have the strength to withstand them, keep running. Keep running. Their bullet will finish. They won't get you. Okay? We don't even pray for that kind of situation. But in case you find yourself, this is just a protection. Yes. But if you want to purchase this for criminal mind, if you are into any illegal thing, it will not work for you. Yes. So guys, we have so many things that we sell. This is attraction in a bottle. It's working for me. Seriously, this one is to attract wealth. This one contains 7 herbs. Yes, so we have so many of them. This one is one of our latest product. High BP, those who are suffering from hypertension, you can use this for hypertension. And then those women that their womb cannot retain pregnancy, you are pregnant after 2 months, 3 months, the pregnancy will come down. Get this. The pregnancy will stay till 9 months, you give birth. And if your body is not producing egg, your hormone is not okay, it's not producing, you cannot get pregnant quickly, get this also. It will help you to get pregnant fast. Okay, so guys, I think we should stop here. See you again in our next video. Thank you. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye.